The PCW residence is designed with a concept of openness and connection to nature. The building takes the form of a simple prismatic volume that runs parallel to the hillside. This linear arrangement ensures that every space in the house receives natural light and enjoys impressive views of the surrounding landscape. The architects cleverly employ the concept of floating, where the upper level extends beyond the lower base, creating a sense of lightness and connection to the exterior spaces. The flat, extended roof not only provides shade to the outdoor areas but also emphasizes the horizontal nature of the building that contrasts with the verticality of the surrounding trees. The highlight of this residence is the dissolution of boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Large glass sliding walls can be fully opened, transforming the living areas into an open veranda that extends into the garden. This design not only expands the usable space but also enables natural ventilation and creates an uninterrupted visual connection with nature. The swimming pool that runs parallel to the house serves as a crucial element linking the architecture to the landscape, reflecting the sky and adding a water dimension to the living experience. Pitta Arquitetura has chosen materials that remain true to their natural character. Exposed concrete provides simplicity and strength, while natural wood brings warmth and organic quality. Glass is extensively used to allow natural light to reach every corner of the house, creating changing patterns of light and shadow throughout the day. The placement of openings has been carefully considered not only for beautiful views but also for sun orientation and protection from heat during the day. Sun screens and extended eaves help control light and provide privacy simultaneously. The spatial layout of the PCW residence demonstrates a profound understanding of contemporary living. The central common areas flow openly into one another, while private spaces are clearly separated. Circulation within the house is fluid and logical, with a sequence of gradually revealing spaces and views as one moves through the dwelling. The design of the central courtyard and rear garden not only extends the living space to the outdoors but also creates environments conducive to relaxation and social gathering. The PCW residence by Pitta Arquitetura stands as an outstanding example of contemporary architecture that responds to its context and environment. The project demonstrates how a simple yet carefully considered design can create meaningful living spaces that connect with nature. It is a perfect blend of privacy, comfort, and connection to the outdoors, essential qualities for residential architecture in the present age.